Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of April, 2025, our system has categorized SoundHound AI as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently finds itself at a point within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trajectory. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 44.49% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 55.7% to a decrease of 36.05%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 64.4%. Based on our estimates, the stock's performance could vary between 34.48% and 406.71% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price within the range of $11.87 to $44.74. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Volatile Ride for SoundHound AI Incorporated Stock Price on Wednesday, moving between $6.95 and $8.85. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price gained 22.98% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025. Rising from $7.18 to $8.83. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 27.34%, with a low of $6.95 and a high of $8.85. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 5.86% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 14 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 45 million shares bought and sold for approximately $413,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.50. Currently, the price is 64.65% or $16.15 below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI Inc., trading under the ticker SOUN, is currently facing a series of class action lawsuits related to alleged securities fraud. Investors who purchased shares between the 10th of May, 2024, and the 3rd of March, 2025, may have incurred losses due to claims that the company issued false statements regarding its business and financial prospects. Various law firms are actively encouraging affected investors to join these lawsuits, with a lead plaintiff deadline set for the 27th of May, 2025. This situation is raising concerns about the potential volatility of SOUN's stock price in both the short and long term. Investors often react negatively to news of class action lawsuits, leading to immediate selling pressure on the stock. Such reactions could contribute to a downturn as uncertainty looms over the company's reputation and financial health. Moreover, if these lawsuits result in significant settlements or judgments against SoundHound, this could have long-lasting implications for the company's finances and credibility, adversely impacting its stock value. In the near term, we may observe increased trading volume and price fluctuations as investors respond to the unfolding legal issues. Over the longer run, the outcome of these legal challenges could significantly shape investor confidence and influence market perceptions of SoundHound's business viability and growth potential. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. Again, on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright provided SOUN with a buy grade alongside a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same date, Cantor Fitzgerald gave SOUN an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 22.98%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is found. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Given that the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $9.27. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $8.01. A breakthrough of the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots reflect a buy signal observed 2 days ago. The short-term moving average also signals a buy from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 60 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 25 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $8.57. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a significant prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.90 between its high and low, amounting to a change of 27.34%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 19.02%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may point to inadequate profitability and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates currently sit at -7 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $10.31. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $8.57. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th day of March in the year 2025, James Ming Hom conducted an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th day of March in the year 2025, James Ming Hom conducted another insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th day of March in the year 2025, Kevon Mohajer conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th day of March in the year 2025, Kevon Mohajer conducted another insider sale of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th day of March in the year 2025, Nitesh Sharan conducted an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 10.805. In total, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.47, reflecting a decline of 4.1%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. shows several positive indicators. However, they do not provide sufficient justification for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider this stock as a hold or accumulate position while waiting for further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a strong sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open lower by 62 cents, starting at $8.21. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.